Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can teach your cats how to paint and create lovely art pieces. You'll need a piece of paper and a sealable plastic bag. Next, choose the paint colors that you'd like. This first piece will be painted by my orange tabby, Toby, so I chose greens, golds, and oranges that represent him. Put your paper or canvas in your sealable bag. Next, add your paint colors. Just start squeezing all the paint colors everywhere on the paper. Make sure to keep all of the paint inside the bag, unless you want to shampoo your cats later. Be sure to seal your plastic bag once you've added all of the paint colors. When you have all of your paint placed on your paper, invite your little artist over. I used a laser pointer to get his attention. And then I watched the magic happen as he created his masterpiece. Look at his little Picasso paws go! I made sure to move the laser pointer in all different directions so that he covered all of his paper. And here he's looking up at me, signaling he's all done. Now carefully remove the masterpiece from the bag and allow to air dry. At this point, his brother Fabio was very curious and wanted to make one as well. For Fabio's, I applied the paint first to the canvas and then I placed it into the plastic bag. I used blues, grays, silver, and always a little bit of sparkle to represent the colors of Fabio. Fabio was slightly more interested in snacks and also toys, so instead of a laser pointer, I placed a few snacks on top of the canvas and let him munch away on top of it. I also added a few toys so that he would roll around and play on top of it. Alright, after all that painting, he is done. And now just remove again and let air dry. And here we have beautiful masterpieces painted by kitty cats. They represent fun, treats, playfulness, and cuteness, of course. Toby and Fabio were super proud of their masterpieces. They kept coming over to check out their paintings while I was filming. I think they wanted to make sure that I didn't damage them. Fabio was a little bit too proud and ended up causing an accident. Thanks so much for watching our video. I hope you try this at home with your kitties, and it works great with doggies too. Please subscribe to this channel for more fun ideas. Bye!